Shamanettes, and welcome to the Beauty Shaman. So today we are looking at the Luna 4 Plus. This is for aging skin specifically. It's a facial cleansing device with new and exciting features that places it a step above its predecessor, the Luna 3. Foreo has sent me this device as well as my previously reviewed Luna 3 and the UFO 2 and UFO Mini 2. So please check out those reviews on my channel. The features we will go over today on the Luna 4 are the microcurrent, thermal, and LED light therapy, its ability to remove 99% of the dirt from your skin, and the T-sonic pulsations for a wonderful facial massage. In this video, I will go over what's new about the Luna 4, how it works, and what the benefits are so you can know if this meets your skincare needs or the skincare needs of someone you know. Please see below for the link to Foreo and all the other devices to learn more. All right, let's get started. Okay, so what's the difference between the Luna 3 and 4 Plus, and why should you care? So on the front of the device, you have the silicone bristles that are 17% softer than previous editions. Plus, it has a ring of LED lights that help to increase collagen and elastin production, restore skin thickness, provide thermal or heat, in other words, to relax and stimulate the skin. Plus, it cleans away 99% of dirt and oil residue. It also can be used to help boost serums and creams that you use so the products go deeper into the skin and have a greater efficacy. It helps to increase circulation, eliminate toxins, and brighten your complexion. The back of the device has a massage section that I absolutely love. It's very soothing, and I use it on my neck and jaw muscles to help me relax when I'm stressed. It's absolutely fabulous. It also has 2 microcurrent pins that provide electric current to tighten and tone muscles, boost elasticity, and cell turnover. So fabulous stuff. All right, it wouldn't be Foreo without the Foreo app to help guide you with tutorials, strength settings, and a timer so you are more thorough in your cleansing routine. If you're anything like me, you rush through everything. So this can really help to time things and also to change the different settings when it comes to strength, which is super important. Use your cleanser or the Foreo microfoam cleanser to deeply clean the skin. Using circular motions, clean your face and neck using the device. Then use the microcurrent LED light and thermal function on the Luna 4. You adjust all of these applications using the phone app that's very straightforward and simple to use. You won't have a problem. The Foreo Luna 4 device is an excellent facial cleanser, LED light, and microcurrent device that helps to increase circulation, eliminate toxins, release facial tension, promote collagen and elastin production, and deeply cleanse your skin. It does a ton of good things. I love how it helps with my puffy eyes in the morning and the heated vibration that relaxes my muscles at night. Please see below for a link to read more about the different Foreo devices available and see which one is best meets your needs or the needs of people you know. Please write down below with thoughts and questions. I always love to hear from you, especially if you use these devices and your experiences with them. Thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.